Welcome to another video. I know it's been a while since I made a video, so in this video I wanted to show you how you can transfer stocks and your options, calls and everything from Robinhood to Webull. So I'm going to show you two different methods. One is on the phone and one is on the desktop. So let me go over to the phone here, and if we go over to our Webull app, we verified that, and you can see over here we have the transfer button. So all we have to do is click transfer and then go to where it says transfer stocks into Webull. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and then you will see that for you it's probably going to say transfer now to Webull, but I started the transfer just to test it out to see if it would work. So I'm going to blur out everything on the bottom, but basically you're going to click on the first button to request a new transfer, and your page is going to look like this. So if you're transferring from Robinhood, you can see that we have Robinhood on the first option, and then we can click on all other brokers and you can type in the names there. So for now I'm transferring from Robinhood to my Webull account. So here they tell you that all this information, if transferred assets are not more than 500, they'll be rejected. So basically I tried a couple of times and I got rejected. So what happened was my stocks were not worth 500. So I had one stock, let's say I have SOS, which was like, if I had 2 or 3 stocks, then it would not transfer since it's less than $500. So every stock that you hold has to have a value or worth of total return worth of more than $500. I'm sorry, not total return, but like your equity has to be over $500. So no matter what you hold, it has to be over $500. Alright, so if you're transferring for the first time in Webull, they charge you $75. Basically Robinhood charges you $75, and if you're doing it the first time, if you're transferring for the first time, Robinhood and Webull, basically Webull will give you a $75 cash rebate, if you want to call it, but basically they pay for your transfer. So they cover up to $100, and right now they're having a promotion. I'll show you what the promotion looks like. So if we go all the way out and we go back to our dashboard here and we go to more, if we scroll all the way to the right, you can see it says new transfer promotion. So if we click on that, it tells you here, if you transfer within this time, which is basically March 2nd to March 29th, if you transfer within this time, you get level 2 advanced subscription, and you can see that these are the tiers. So tier A, if you're transferring $800 to $2,000, you get the full transfer. Basically they give you the $75 free fee reimbursement up to $100, which Robinhood charges you $75. So Webull will cover up to $75. Then you have tier B, and tier B is basically transfer fee reimbursement up to the same thing as this, and they give you 5 free stocks. And if you are transferring between $2,000 to $10,000, then you get 5 stocks valued between $900 to $1,600. Tier 3 is $10,000 to $24,999. You get 10 free stocks. And tier D is 25 stocks if you're transferring between $25,000 and up. So here's what I like about this one. You see here all tiers include complimentary 3-month subscription to level 2 advanced. This one is basically the part where it shows you the NASDAQ buy and sell. Like I have Robinhood Gold here, so I can show you what I mean here, but I'm gonna go through that in a bit. So here they give you 3 months of complimentary subscription to level 2, and if you know or not know, level 2 costs $2 per month with Webull, and this is a separate subscription, and you do have to pay for that subscription if you want that. Otherwise, if you just open up your Webull account, you do get about, I believe, 1 month or 2 month free subscription. but I'm gonna do the transfer to the Webull account because I also want that 3-month free level 2 subscription, also because I do day trade with my Webull account. So I do fall under this tier C, but I won't be transferring my full portfolio. So today I'll be transferring just under $20,000 because I do here where it says tap here to submit a transfer, or we can do the other way around, the one I was showing you here. So most people will find it like this. You can go to your dashboard here, and you're just going to click on transfer, and then you're going to click on where it says transfer stocks to Webull, and here whatever the button shows up here, you're going to continue and choose your Robinhood account, and you're going to click on where it says please read carefully. You're going to confirm and click continue, and here it's going to ask you to put the outgoing account number. The account number associated with your Robinhood, if you want to put in the transfer, is by going to your account, going to account here, and go to settings. You should be able to see the account number right here. So all you need is the RH number, which is this number here, whatever number it shows you here. You should be able to see the one that says RHS. That's the number you need. So you can just copy and paste it into the account number here, or just type it in. And the way you find it on Robinhood on the mobile app is by going to the logo over here, and by going to scrolling all the way down, you should be able to see your RHS number over here on the bottom. So let's put in the number over here. So here you get to choose what kind of transfer are you doing. Are you doing a full transfer? Are you doing a partial transfer? As for what I've heard with my research, they said that if you do a full transfer, Robinhood will close your account. Basically, when you not Robinhood, but Webull will close your account for Robinhood. So your Robinhood account will no longer exist because they will take all your money out and then put it into your Webull accounts, and they will close up your Robinhood account. I don't want to close my Robinhood account. I want to keep it open, so I'm going to select partial. And here you choose how much cash you want to transfer and how many what positions you're holding. So the positions are basically in your portfolio. If you have any options, you have to choose the other option, full transfer. You cannot transfer options until they liquidate or you have sold them. So I'm gonna choose partial here, and for the cash amount, if you want to know how much you have and you want to transfer that much, you can click on cash to see what your buying power is. And if you try to get it deposited to your account, you should be able to see that as well. But you could see the cash account here, and it will show you what your balance is, and this is the withdrawable amount of cash. So anything above this, if you just see your portfolio here and you see I have a buying power of $4,000, but I cannot transfer the full $4,000 because it hasn't settled yet. And also I have $9,000 in collateral, I have $4,000 in buying power, and I have $1,000 that I'm using as my instant deposit at the moment. So my cash available balance is $3,600, and this is the amount that I can put over here if I want to transfer that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna type in 3658, but I'm actually gonna transfer $3,500. So here is positions. You're gonna be typing one by one as to what you're holding. Stocks only, not options, nothing else. So here I have ENVB, and how many you hold. I have 1,543 shares. So 1,543 shares, and I press add, and then it will come down here. And then I click again add, and then I have SOS. I have 200 of these. Click add again, and then I have Ibon, and scroll down, I have BNGO, and I have 100 of these. Click add, scroll down, I have CCIV, 100 shares, and I put them here. Alright, these are all of the stocks that I want to transfer, and remember, as I said earlier, every single one of these stocks that you're holding has to be estimated market value has to be over $500 each. So SOS, I have $1,300. If this was less than $500, they will reject the transfer. And if you had a cash balance like I showed here, if you had something else, not $3,000, this will also cancel your order. So let's say you're transferring $3,500 and you don't have $3,500 available in your cash balance, but you have it on your portfolio, on your buying power, you have $3,500, it's not going to transfer the $4,000. So if you're trying to transfer $4,000 but you only have $3,600, it's only going to transfer what's here, but it's going to cancel your transfer, saying that you don't have $4,000 in your cash power, you only have $3,600. So you'd have to resubmit the whole process again. So the best way to do it for me is to just see what's my cash buying power and my withdrawable amount. This is the amount I can withdraw. I'm just transferring $3,500 from there, and I am transferring the following stocks. So these are the stocks I'm transferring. Each one of them is over $500 in value, and this one, as you can see, is close. I have I think I entered this one wrong, so I'm gonna do that again. FT, I only have 100 share of this one. So if I were to make a mistake, then this would cancel out. It's gonna say that you don't have 500 shares of FT, and it's gonna cancel it. It's gonna say rejected, transfer has been rejected. So these are the stocks that I'm transferring, and now all we have to do is click on submit stocks to transfer, and this is gonna come up with the page. It's gonna say submit, review, and they give you an estimated date as to when your transfer will be processed. Now, something to keep in mind, within this time you will not be able to trade the stocks that you're having or holding over here. So all of these stocks you won't be able to trade in Robinhood, but if you had buying power in your Webull account, you'll be able to trade there, but not in your Robinhood account. It will say that the stock is not available, or the I'll put up the image that you get, or the error message that you get when you try to trade this the stocks that you're holding at the moment in the display right now. Status here, it says submitted, and the date it was submitted, and I will keep you updated as when they're clearing and when they complete my transfer. When the transfer has been completed, then you get the promotion if you had signed up for the promotion there. And now I'm going to show you how to do it on your Webull account. So if you have the desktop version of Webull, you won't be able to see the options to transfer here. So what you need to do is webull.com here, and you just go get started, and you log into your account, and you're going to click on where it says transfer stocks right over here, and then you choose your account. I have Roth IRA and I have individual accounts, so you just choose your account, and then you should be able to do the same thing that I just did on the phone. It's the exact same process. Since I just submitted mine, it came up over here. So I have a cash amount here, and then how much I submitted. But that's pretty much it. Alright, so as of March 24th, 9:34 a.m., as you can see here, I have the update, and on that day it was moved to clearing. So here's an update for the March 25th at 7:33 a.m. I checked my phone and I saw that this was already completed. They sent me a notification on my phone saying that the process has been completed. So if you see the transfer date, we started the transfer on March 22nd, and the full transfer was completed on March 25th by 7:33 a.m. I hope this was helpful to you, and if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. I will be able to get back to you in the comments. And if you want to join our Discord, it's a free. We have over 200 members in our Discord. If you want to join, you feel free to do so. I'll have the link in the description. And alright, hope to see you guys in the next video.